Hello again, students. I am Ms. Cordero, your school librarian. Today we're learning about the Big Six research process. This is the process you will follow when you begin to do your research for your class project. I will be giving you a handout. It is the Big Six research process handout is to guide you through your research. I have listed the 6 steps you will follow to identify, gather, and organize your research information. So let's get into the big 6 steps. So the first step is task definition. This is where you identify what the research assignment is about and you determine what information you're going to need. So you ask yourself questions like, what am I trying to find out? Step 2 in the Big Six research process is information seeking strategies. Here you will brainstorm all the possible sources that you can use to find information that you're looking for, such as books, databases, websites. And then from those, again, you're brainstorming. From those, you will select the best sources that you think will help you do your research with credible information. Questions you can ask yourself in the step is which sources will be most reliable and useful. Our third step is location and access. This is where you find your source. In this step, you're going to find your sources. You can come to the library and look for books through our catalogs, through our shelves. You can also use databases that are available through the school website. This can also be done in the library. And you can use the internet to find credible websites about your topic. Once you do that, you can scan and read headings, pictures, captions, indexes, table contents to locate the information in the sources that you have selected. So questions in this step would be, how do I get the sources? And where in the source do I find the information that I need? Step 4, use of information. So now that you've read, watched, or listened to any of your selected sources, you will be taking notes. While you, again, read, watch, or listen to your sources. While you're taking notes or when you're taking notes, be sure to use the information that's relevant to your research. What that means is you're going to find important facts about your topic. So no off-topic details that are not necessary for your research. Here you can ask yourself, what information is actually useful? Step 5. This is synthesis. So this is where you take all your information after you have looked and taken notes from your sources and you organize it. You can make an outline and arrange your notes in logical order and rearrange it as needed. It might take time to um, look at your notes and figure out a logical order for it, but that's okay. Uh, it's necessary so you're able to um, have a good final product. So ask yourself, how can you combine what you've learned, everything you took from your sources? How can you combine it um, in a logical way to get a final product? So also in this step, once you've organized and combined your information, you can create your final product. So your final product, it depends on what your teacher chose for you, for you to show your what you've learned. Um, so once you do that, once you're doing your final product, ask yourself, how do I present it clearly in your product? And the last step in the Big Six research process is evaluation. Look at your final product. Ask yourself if it effectively provides information about your topic. And also think about the research process and ask yourself if it was used efficiently. Did you follow all the steps and did you complete all the tasks necessary? So again, to recap, the Big Six model is a step-by-step guide to help you through the research process for your class project. It is meant to teach you research skills and to make the process less overwhelming. As your school librarian, I am here to help you along the way. Stop by the library for any resources and assistance you may need to successfully complete your research.